Lieutenant Loom, we are going to construct an image of the Trion Galactic Shadow Wheel 1254A. To begin this project, we will first create a numbers list for the Shadow Wheel.
Aye, Captain. Captain, numbers list titled and ready to begin.
Divide 360 degrees by 59499 and list the quotient as number 1. Now take list number 1 and multiply it by 19. Take the product and list it as number 2. Now take list number 1 and multiply it by 296. Take the product and list it as number 3. Now take list number 1 and multiply it by 315. Take the product and list it as number 4. Now divide 360 degrees by 33 and list the quotient as number 5. Now divide 296 by 2, add 19 to its quotient, then add 9.5 to that sum, then list the final sum to the number list as 6. Now multiply list number 1 by list number 6. Add the sum to the list as number 7. Now add to the list numbers 8 through 13. Okay, beginning at list number 8, add the following information. Starting with number 8, 19 points per segment. Okay, number 9, 33 segments per ring. Number 10, 2 rings, 1 odd and 1 even. Number 11, 1,254 points in total. Number 12, 1,803 years per segment. Number 13, 59,499 years in total. Lieutenant Loon, we will now begin constructing the Trion Galactic Shadow Wheel 1254 using our number list and the Adobe Illustrator. Begin with a blue circle with a diameter of 891 millimeters and another blue circle with a diameter of 791 millimeters centered within the first circle. We will from now on call this ring number 1. Using blue lines, divide ring number 1 into 33 sections, which we will from now on call segments. Ring number 1 will have only odd numbers for their segments. Ring number 2 will have only even numbers for their segments. Each segment will have the 10.9090 degrees in length from the numbers list at number 5.
Aye, Captain. Captain, circle within a circle and divided into 33 segments is complete and on screen.
Okay, very good. Now starting from any segment near the top of the ring and to the right of the segment and moving in a counterclockwise direction, add a 20 millimeter purple line from the bottom of the segment towards the center. Using 1/2 of the degrees of number 4 from our numbers list, or 157.5 years of rotation. This will be shadow wheel number 01 and point number 01, or SW01P01. From here, use the SW01 segment diagram and the Trion Galactic Shadow Wheel 1254A number list to complete the lines on the segment. When the 19 lines on the segment 01 are in place, follow the exact same order to complete segment 03 to the left of segment 01 or counterclockwise. Continue until all 33 segments of ring number 1 are complete with their point lines.
Aye, Captain. Captain, segment lines on all 33 segments is complete and on screen.
Very good. Now starting from any segment near the top of the ring and to the right of the segment and moving in a counterclockwise direction, add a 20 millimeter purple line from the bottom of the segment towards the center. Using 1/2 of the degrees of number 4 from our numbers list, or 157.5 years of rotation. This will be shadow wheel number 01 and point number 01, or SW01P01. From here, use the SW01 segment diagram and the Trion Galactic Shadow Wheel 1254A number list to complete the lines on the segment. When the 19 lines on the segment 01 are in place, follow the exact same order to complete segment 03 to the left of segment 01 or counterclockwise. Continue until all 33 segments of ring number 1 are complete with their point lines. Now mark the 01 segment as 01 on the top of the 10th purple line in the center of the segment as shown in the diagram. Now starting from the far right of the segment, mark the first line as SW01P01. Number all 19 lines in the segment in the order shown on the diagram. When all 19 lines on segment 01 are completed and moving in a counterclockwise direction, begin on the next segment starting with 03 on the top of the center line number 10 and then to the first line of the segment. This will be SW03P01 and complete the order. Then move to the next segment, which will be 05. Complete the numbering of all 33 segments. The last shadow wheel segment number will be 65.
Aye, Captain. Captain, segments are numbered and all segment lines are numbered on and on screen.
Okay, very good. Let's take a look. Lieutenant Loom, copy ring number 1 4 times and place those 4 rings within ring number 1.
Aye, Captain. Captain, ring number 1 copied 4 times and are in place.
Okay, very good. Lieutenant Loom, we will now begin the construction of ring number 2. Rotate the purple lines within the 5th ring, leaving the blue segment lines in place. Rotate by 362.5 years in a clockwise direction.
Aye, Captain. Captain, purple lines and 5th ring rotated as instructed.
Okay, very good. Lieutenant Loom, reverse the order of points 01 and 03 and 02 and 04 in all the segments in the 5th ring. Then recenter the center line within the segments. Then change the segment number to 1 less than the segment numbers in ring number 4. Then change all the SW and P numbers according to their new SW segment numbers.
Aye, Captain. Captain, lines reversed and segments renumbered as instructed.
Alright, very good. Lieutenant Loom, now rotate the entire fifth ring by 176.5 years in a clockwise direction.
Aye, Captain. Captain, fifth ring rotated as instructed.
Very good. Lieutenant Loom, copy the fifth ring 3 times and place those rings to the inside of the 5 rings.
Aye, Captain. Captain, all 8 rings in place as instructed.
Okay, very good. Lieutenant Loom, put God in the middle of the ring and tell the people of Tricon 3 that God is here.
Aye, Captain.